What do the ultra-rich do differently when it comes to retirement? It's not luck. It's not just higher income. They plan. Early, often, and with precision. Most people, on the other hand, are left with vague advice. Save more, cut back, work longer, but no one's showing you a real plan based on your actual numbers. It's like trying to build a house with a crayon sketch instead of a blueprint. The wealthy don't wing it. They use real projections down to taxes, investments, returns, inflation, healthcare costs, and social security timing. They don't just hope they'll have enough. They know because they've run the numbers. They stress test their future before they ever leave the workforce. That's how they stay wealthy, and that's what you can do too. That's why I recommend Empower's free retirement planner. It's one of the most powerful tools I've seen, and it's completely free. You link your accounts, and in minutes, you'll get a real snapshot of your net worth, your investments, your cash flow, and where you actually stand on the road to retirement. You're not guessing anymore. You're planning like the ultra-rich do. Most online calculators give you generic results. Empower, on the other hand, tailors everything to you. It uses your real spending habits, income, goals, and timeline to give you a dynamic plan that updates automatically as your life changes. Got a raise, bought a house, had a kid? Empower adjusts everything instantly. You can explore different retirement ages, see the impact of retiring early, model how your portfolio might hold up in a market crash, understand how much you'll really need for healthcare or how delaying Social Security affects your future income. This is the kind of planning advisors charge thousands for, and you get it for free. The truth is, most people won't realize that they're off track until it's too late. But with Empower, you get time back, you get clarity, you get confidence. Click our special link in the description below to try Empower's free retirement planner. You'll be shocked how much you learn in just 10 minutes. The ultra-rich don't leave their future to chance, and now you don't have to either. Plan smarter, plan clearer, plan like the wealthy with Empower.